My name is Hiro Fumi Naito. Everybody call me Hiro.
Citerra presents Hiro, the pro fisherman.
My parents' idea is a kid need to go outside. So they took me out and they made me fish. So I fished from morning to whenever I was told to quit because I loved fishing so much. Since I came to state, one of the things I have a serious headache was income tax return. So I leave that one to Paul.
We go over his investments, I make suggestions. He's happy to ask me for help and I help him.
I want to spend as much time on the water as I can to shoot films so I can show some of my new discovery about fish to people.
He is a professional, so he is paid to use certain lures.
In Japan, I do have my own brand of a fishing rod called Heroism.
He is in his later years of life doing absolutely what he loves. And people are coming up because he's almost a celebrity.
My advice to somebody who is thinking about a financial advisor, I would recommend every day of the week and twice on Sunday. He's a guy who has so much experience, knowledge. He took a big portion on my headache so I can go fishing.
Citerra makes our workday easier. They just will nonstop get you the answer or get something done. They're on our side 100%.
Your growth is our purpose. Visit citerra.com.